Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to see what are the data types available in Python. What is data type? Data type is represent the type of data stored in a variable or in a memory location. And in Python we have many built-in data types. We will see one by one all the data types. First type is numeric, text type, sequence, mapping type, set, Boolean, and binary data type. So these are all the type of data available in Python. Now we will see what is numeric data type. So in numeric we have three different categories. First one is integer. Integer is a number without any decimal point or a fractional part, which means that the number should be a whole number, should not give any pointing value. That whole number may be any positive number or negative number. To store the integer value, there is no restriction. Okay, we can give any number of length for this particular integer. For example, this is equal to 34. So this is my integer value. I am going to print this s. Just it will print as it is. I no need to mention the type of data here like int s is equal to 34. If I try to give like that also, we will get an error message only. Okay, so in Python, the interpreter automatically will identify that s belongs to integer type. Okay, here we can give n number of data. There is no restriction for that. Whether it is a positive or negative, that is not a problem. But we can give any number of data. Next one is float. Floating point number as a number contains a decimal point. So in your number part, you have some fractional also. Okay, after pointing, you have some value. Till 15 decimals, it is possible to store for floating data type. Okay. So consider this example. So for float, I am going to use x is equal to 4 point. So like that I can able to give. So if I give simply print of x, it will print as it is. But I want to store so many digits after my decimal point. So you are giving more than 15 means it will accept only 15 digits, not more than that. Okay. So floating data type, it will accept only 15 digits after your decimal points. Next one is complex data type. So in complex, we have two different parts, real and imaginary. So what is real and imaginary? So real, you can give either integer number or float number, and the imaginary also you can give either integer or float number. But only the thing, in imaginary part, you should follow the J representation. Either it may be in uppercase or lowercase. D is equal to 3.4 plus 5J. So if you're checking this, it will print as it is. So this is complex data type. So in complex data type, you can able to get that real and the imaginary part separately. Alphabetical character, you have to use only J, not any other alphabetical character. Next data type is text. So what is text? Yes, string is represents by a group of characters. So that group of character may be single character or so many alphabetical character. It may be combined uppercase and lowercase, whatever it is, you can use quotes. So what are the quotes we can use? Either single, double or triple quotes. So if you are using quotes means that data type will be considered as a string data type. So consider this example. So here I am using T is equal to tiger, used double quotes. T is equal to pen, single quotes, and S is equal to school holiday. So you can use triple quotes or double quotes. So all are your string inputs. So if you are printing any of your variable, it will be printed as it is. So how you gave the input, the same way it will be printed. So these are all the string data type. So in next session, we will discuss what is mapping data type. Yeah, thank you.